Session Tarahumdoi Legadaba Taramathoi Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Taranithoi Suba Session Ngasidagi Hokre. Ainamadi Santi Raksa gi Fibamda Fagalakpasina State Asida Chauka Tharangi Maikaida Ahenba Meeting Changmangam Hale. E-Kuber Payment System Chana Hanbangam Kibadagi State Lengakna Mafam Mamadi Maram Chana Sel Season Abangam Hale Haina Manipur gi Governor Nazma Habtulana House Tathamkiba Maki Warwal the Fondokre. Indian Medical Association na February amadagi hoduna thasi ki taramari fawu chathagadauba Safe Healthcare Movement gi khongjang bu saguladuna Ima Manipur branch na su ngase lamfel da leiba Ima complex ta nomogoiba hunger strike protest chathakre. COVID-19 laichar lanthengnabada mathau taunaba contract laukiba multitasking staff amasung staff nurse singi haukiba thamari gi torop pithokpiyu amade makhoi gi service ki matam sangdokpiyu haina taksiladuna ngasi Noni district ki Longmai part 3 da leiba Tengkongjang Higher Secondary School Quarantine Center da staff singna wakan mifam famduna khongjang sangsenkhrei. Manipur da sangom marang kaina puthoknabagi pandamda veterinary amasung animal husbandry loishangna Manipur gi mafam anida semgatkiba liquid nitrogen manufacturing plant ani gi manungda ama oiriba Kakching Frozen Cement Bank ta leiba liquid nitrogen manufacturing plant fail oiduna maming tagi oina leirakpa chahi nipalum phare haina plant asigi in charge oiriba veterinary hospital Kakching gi Dr. H.H. Brojendrona nungnangbo phungdokre. Chahi Nauriba Naha Singbo Mayai Kaba Chinjak Taki Kalhaunabagi Pandamda Imphales ki Haingang Assembly Constituency gi Manung Chana Leiba Maibakul School Ground da Lamyan Bahizam Mirawad Celebration Committee Juvenile Group na Sinduna Ngasidagi Anti-Drug Campaign am Hogdokre. Tengnopal District Ahanbo ina Health Department da Mathau Toriba Doctor amadi atai health workers singda COVID-19 gi vaccine kapa ngasidagi More Hainau Makhong Lekai Ward number 7 da Leiba Sub District Hospital More da Hulokre. All Kumbi Workers Union Sinduna Kumbi Municipality ki mafam singda leiba Manipur Building and Construction Workers Welfare Board ki makhada registered Toraba Labor Union ki member singda Kumbi Municipal Council Ward number 9 ki councillor Wahengbam Bobichan Luwangna hand sanitizer amasung face mask sing thokre. Devaga University Assam ki Vice Chancellor Ranjit Tamuli Chenaba University asige Senja Thumjage Wathok Thizinaba miyoi mari ne saba Committee ama state adu ki governor Jagdish Mukhi na semkhrei. Committee adu Secondary Education Department ki commissioner amasung secretary Pritom Saikia na luchingani.